Calculate the force required to produce an acceleration of 5 meter per second square in a body of mass 2.4 kg. Solution. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, that is 2.4 kg into 5 meter per second, that is equal to 12 Newton. A body of mass 2.5 kg is moving with a velocity of 220 meter per second. Calculates its momentum. Solution. Momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. Here mass is m is equal to 2.5 kg. Velocity v is 20 meter per second. Therefore momentum is equal to mv, that is equal to 2.5 into 20 kg per meter square. Momentum is equal to 50 kg meter per second. Force acts for 0.2 second on a body of mass 2.5 kg initially at rest. The force that ceases to act and the body moves through 4 meter in the next 1 second. Calculates the magnitude of force. Solution. When the force ceases to act, the body will move with a constant velocity. Since it moves a diameter of 4 meter in 1 second, therefore its uniform velocity is equal to 4 meter per second. Now initial velocity u is equal to 0, final velocity v is equal to 4 meter per second, time interval delta t is equal to 0.2 second. Therefore acceleration a is equal to v minus u divided by delta t, that is equal to 4 minus 0 divided by 0.2, that is equal to 20 meter per second square. Force is equal to 2.5 into 20, that is equal to 15 Newton. A ball of mass 20 gram is initially moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second. On applying a constant force on the ball for 0.5 second, it acquires a velocity of 50 meter per second. Calculate the following. First one, initial momentum of the ball, final momentum of the ball, rate of change of momentum, acceleration of the ball, magnitude of the force applied. Solution. Given m is equal to 20 gram, that is equal to 20 divided by 1000 kg, that is equal to 0.2 kg. Initial velocity u is equal to 100 meter per second. Time interval t is equal to 0.5 second. Final velocity v is equal to 150 meter per second. Initial momentum of the ball, mass into initial velocity, or P1 is equal to mu, that is equal to 0.02 kg into 100 meter per second, that is equal to 2 kg meter per second. Final momentum of the ball, that is equal to mass into final velocity. 2 is equal to mv is equal to 0.02 kg into 150 meter per second, that is equal to 2 kg per meter second. Third one, rate of change of momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum divided by time, or delta p divided by delta t, that is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 0.5, that is equal to 1 divided by 0.5 is equal to 2.0 kg meter per second, that is 2 Newton. Fourth one, acceleration. A is equal to v minus u divided by t, that is equal to 150 minus 100, that is 0.5, that is equal to 100 meter per second square. Fifth one, force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, that is 0.02 into 100 is equal to 2 Newton. A cricket ball of mass 200 gram moving with a speed of 40 meter per second is brought to rest by a player in 0.04 second. Calculate the following. First one, change in momentum of the ball. Second one, average force applied by the player. Solution. Mass m is equal to 200 gram, that is 200 divided by 1000 kg, 0.2 kg. Initial velocity u is equal to 40 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 0. Time t is equal to 0.04 second. First one, initial momentum we have to find, that is P1 is equal to mu, that is equal to 0.2 kg into 40 meter per second. Initial momentum is equal to 8 kg meter per second. Final momentum P2 is equal to m into v, that is equal to 0.2 into 0, that is 0 kg. Change in momentum delta P is equal to P2 minus P1, 0 minus 8.0 kg meter per second, that is equal to minus 8.0 kg meter per second. Average force, that is equal to change in momentum divided by time, that is equal to minus 8.0 minus 0 divided by 0.04, that is equal to minus 200 Newton. The negative sign shows that the force is applied in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of the ball. A rifle of mass 5 kg fires a bullet of mass 40 gram. The bullet leaves the barrel of the rifle with a velocity 200 meter per second. If the bullet takes 0.004 second to move through the barrel, calculate the following: recoil velocity of the rifle and the force experienced by the rifle due to its recoil. Solution: given mass of the rifle is m1 is equal to 5 kg, mass of the bullet m2 is equal to 40 gram, that is 0.04 kg. Initial velocities u1 is equal to 0, u2 is equal to 0. After firing, velocity of the bullet v2 is equal to 200 meter per second. Velocity of the rifle v1 is equal to question mark. Applying the law of conservation of momentum, we get m1 into u1 plus m2 into u2, that is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, or 0 plus 0 is equal to 5 into v1 plus 0.04 into 200. v1 is equal to minus 0.04 into 200 divided by 5, that is equal to minus 1.6 meter per second. That is the given mass of the rifle. Initial momentum of the rifle is equal to 0. Final momentum of the rifle is 5 kg into minus 1.6, that is equal to minus 8 kg meter per second. Time interval is equal to 0.004 second. Therefore, force is equal to change in momentum divided by time taken interval, that is equal to minus 8 kg meter per second divided by 0.004 is equal to minus 2000 Newton.